Hello everyone, I am Mira Jеңіс and welcome to our lesson. Today we are going to talk about intelligent energy stories. Before we set to our new theme, let's acquaint with learning and lesson objectives. Use appropriate subject-specific vocabulary and syntax to talk about the range of familiar and some unfamiliar, general and curricular topics. Use imagination to express thoughts, ideas, experiences, and feelings. Understand specific information and detail in extended text on a wide range of familiar and unfamiliar general and curricular topics. Use a wide range of vocabulary which is appropriate to topic and genre and which is spelled accurately. Now students, let's watch a video about energy storage.
The energy storage revolution. From an age of power plants running on fossil fuels, we are moving into an era of renewable energy, where electricity is generated by wind, water, and solar power. Much of this energy will come from homes and businesses with their own green energy systems. These will be connected to the grid, requiring that energy is not only delivered to a property, but can also be taken from it. Wind and the sun's energy is intermittent, and so a system is required that is capable of storing energy when production outweighs demand, and then delivering that stored energy when there is a shortfall in production. High-capacity storage is needed to maintain a reliable electricity supply. Currently, 95% of global energy storage is in pumped hydroelectric facilities. However, each one needs two large reservoirs, one higher than the other, and so can only be constructed in specific locations. This gives rise to problems resulting from power having to be transferred over long distances. So, what is the alternative? There is an option for local energy storage that we have been using small versions of inside our smartphones for years: the lithium-ion battery. It's the ideal candidate as it can both deliver and store energy. It's efficient, returning 90 to 95% of stored energy, which is more than any other available technology. It's also flexible and able to adjust rapidly to fluctuating supply and demand. What's more, the price of lithium-ion batteries has been falling in recent years. The main safety concern with lithium-ion batteries is overheating, because if energy is delivered too quickly, it can cause the system to short-circuit or catch fire. However, programmers have developed intelligent software which will regulate the speed of charging, eliminating the risk of overheating. It will also integrate other energy storage systems with the new lithium-ion batteries to ensure that no energy is wasted and every home, office, and charging station has a constant supply of electricity.
Now students, this video about the energy that we use in our life, yes? Okay, then open your book on page 78, exercise number 1. Read the list of renewable, non-renewable energy sources below. What is the difference between renewable, non-renewable energy source? So, energy sources divided into renewable, non-renewable sources, yes? Renewable sources are solar power, wind power, hydropower, geothermal energy, wave power, biomass, biogas, and non-renewable sources are coal, petroleum, natural gas. So, what is the difference between renewable and non-renewable energy source? The difference between renewable and non-renewable energy source is that renewable energy sources do not run out, whereas non-renewable energy sources are only available in a limited amount. Next task, exercise number 3. Read the definition. Have you ever heard of energy storage before? What would you like to know about it? So, what does mean? Energy storage. The capture of energy generated and kept for use at later time. Energy storage is often used with renewable energy sources. It can also be attached to a power grid and can store surplus energy at time of low demand and release energy into the grid at times of high demand. Look at this picture. What do you think? This picture where the energy storage is keeping. Now, let's introduce with new words. Decarbonization, decentralization, grid, fluctuate, intermittent, outweigh, demand, capacity, overheating, reservoirs. Let's repeat. Decarbonization, decentralization, grid, fluctuate, intermittent, outweigh, demand, capacity, overheating, reservoirs. Now, open your copybook and write down these words and then learn by heart it. So, next task, read the text, page 78, about the energy storage revolution. You have 5 minutes for attentively reading this text. If you have finished, let's do the next task. The next task, exercise number 4A, page 79. Read the text for question A and 1 and 5. The aim of this exercise to read for specific information, multiple choice. Now you have 5 minutes. So, if you have finished this task, let's check up. Now, look at the answer key. First, D, the second question, B, and the third, A, the fourth task, the fourth question is C, and the fifth one, the right variant is B. Now, exercise number 4, page 79. Read the text attentively once more and mark the words in bold with their meaning. Here, some words. Quantity produced, becoming too warm, is more than produced, stable, available, space, not on land, quantity required, place where water is stored, a network of electricity change. The aim of this exercise to consolidate new vocabulary through synonyms. Now, you have 2 minutes to match these words. If you have finished, let's check up. Answer key. Check up, please. Now, I hope you got a lot of useful information about energy storage in this lesson. Your homework will be exercise number 7, page 79. Complete the email using the correct present or past tenses. The aim of this exercise to revise present and past tenses. The lesson is over. Goodbye. See you later.